How's it going? I have another unboxing of Call of Duty Ghost Hardened Edition for the PlayStation Network. As you guys can see, right there, if you buy the PS4, you get, and you insert this disc, you get the game for $10. So in the back, shows you exactly what it comes with. Over here, it comes with a hard case. You get the season pass. You get a free map called Free Fall. You get a bracelet. Yeah, and you get a bunch of cool stuff. So yeah, uh, so so there you have it again. Down here, just the information. This is kind of cool if you're going like over to a friend's house or something. So so you can differ between what games is yours and what game is theirs. So on the back here, there's this really cool cover art for the box. So, and there's the actual game right there, and there's the bracelet right there. And I kind of like this skull type thing. So let's look at the game first. So full metal.
Hey.
So you get that. So you get the season pass, sorry, wherever's in the thing. So plus the code's under my finger. So, and this is exactly the instructions. And this is all the content that you can get, which is the two codes are on the back. So yeah. So this is also in the instructions. You get Knife for Destiny. This is the voucher for the PS4 version. So then you get the warnings and stuff like that. So we'll set those aside for now. Then you get the actual disc. And so there's inside. Put the stuff back in. Close up the case. Side by side. Now, time for the bracelet. The do. Okay. There's the skull again. Might give this to my sister, I don't know. Ooh, nice velvet casing right here for people who, yeah. Some people said that was hard to take out, but it wasn't really. So there's here's a place where you unscrew it, so you can place it on your wrist, like so. Well, not like so, but um, on. Okay, I lost it. Dork. Okay. Um, Give me a second. You guys can skip ahead. So there's a actual thing. Um, so yeah. Again, I'm not going to show you again, but here's the actual case right there. All the beautiful stuff that comes with it, and the names on the side, Call of Duty Ghost. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.